In this video, we will delve into the topic of egg consumption among seniors, highlighting some common mistakes that can transform this nutritious food into a less healthy option. Eggs are often celebrated for their impressive health benefits. They are rich in high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, making them a staple in many diets. For seniors, eggs can be particularly beneficial as they support muscle health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. However, as we age, unique challenges arise that can affect how we consume and benefit from eggs. Factors such as dietary restrictions, digestive issues, and concerns about cholesterol can lead seniors to make choices that may not align with the health advantages eggs offer. In this context, it's crucial to understand how certain common mistakes can diminish the positive impact of eggs in a senior's diet. Throughout this video, we will explore 4 specific pitfalls that seniors often encounter when consuming eggs. These mistakes can range from improper cooking methods to overlooking the importance of portion control, all of which can turn healthy food into a less beneficial one. By identifying these errors, we aim to empower seniors to make informed choices that enhance their health rather than compromise it. So, whether you're a senior yourself or caring for one, stay tuned as we uncover these common egg-related missteps and provide guidance on how to enjoy this versatile food in a way that maximizes its nutritional benefits. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you enjoy this video, please type 1 in the comments. If you don't like it, type 0 to let me know so I can keep improving for you. Now let's get started. When it comes to cooking eggs, the choice of oil can significantly impact health, particularly for seniors. Many commonly used oils, such as vegetable oil, canola oil, and soybean oil, are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which may contribute to inflammation in the body. This is particularly concerning for seniors, as chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. Take, for example, Lisa, a 72-year-old who has been using vegetable oil for years to fry her eggs. Despite enjoying her meals, she began experiencing increased joint pain and fatigue, which she later learned could be exacerbated by the inflammatory properties of the oils she was using. Lisa's experience highlights the importance of being mindful about cooking oils, especially for those in their golden years. To promote better health, seniors should consider healthier alternatives that not only enhance the flavor of their dishes, but also support overall well-being. Extra virgin olive oil is an excellent choice, as it is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation. Another great option is ghee, a clarified butter that is lactose-free and contains beneficial fatty acids. Both alternatives can be used to cook eggs in a way that maximizes their nutritional benefits while minimizing potential health risks. By making simple swaps in cooking oils, seniors like Lisa can enjoy their favorite egg dishes without compromising their health. In the following sections, we will explore more about how these healthier options can be incorporated into daily cooking routines, ensuring that seniors can savor their meals while supporting their health. Pairing eggs with processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, or ham, can significantly undermine the health benefits that eggs provide. While eggs are packed with essential nutrients, the addition of processed meats introduces unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives that can negate these advantages. Processed meats are often linked to increased risks of heart disease, certain cancers, and other chronic health conditions, particularly concerning seniors who may already be managing various health issues. To illustrate this point, Let's consider Thomas, a 69-year-old who enjoyed a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs with crispy bacon every morning. Initially, he felt energized and satisfied, but over time he began experiencing elevated cholesterol levels and weight gain. After a visit to his doctor, Thomas learned that the combination of eggs and processed meats was contributing to his health decline, prompting him to rethink his breakfast choices. This story serves as a cautionary tale about the potential dangers of this common pairing. Instead of processed meats, seniors can opt for healthier side options that complement eggs without compromising their health. Avocado, for instance, is a fantastic choice. It is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins, making it a perfect accompaniment to eggs. Steamed spinach is another excellent option, packed with iron and antioxidants that can enhance the nutritional profile of any meal. By making these simple substitutions, seniors like Thomas can enjoy delicious breakfasts that support their health rather than detract from it. In the following sections, we will explore more nutritious pairings and meal ideas that can help maintain a balanced diet while enjoying the benefits of eggs. While eggs are nutritious food, consuming the same egg dish daily can lead to monotony and potential nutrient deficiencies. Relying on a single preparation method or recipe may limit the variety of vitamins and minerals that one receives from their diet. For instance, if someone consistently opts for scrambled eggs every morning, they may miss out on the diverse nutrients found in other egg dishes, such as omelets, frittatas, or poached eggs. This lack of variety can result in an unbalanced diet, which is particularly concerning for seniors who need a wide range of nutrients to support their health. Take Sophia, a 72-year-old who has been enjoying a simple breakfast of boiled eggs for years. Initially, she felt satisfied and healthy, but over time she noticed fatigue and a lack of energy. After consulting with her doctor, Sophia discovered that her limited breakfast routine had led to deficiencies in essential nutrients like vitamin D and B12, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Sophia's experience underscores the importance of diversifying egg dishes to ensure a well-rounded intake of nutrients. By incorporating a variety of egg preparations, seniors can enhance their meals and improve their overall health. For example, adding vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, or spinach to an omelet can provide additional vitamins and minerals. Experimenting with different herbs and spices can also elevate the flavor and nutritional value of egg dishes. In the following sections, we will explore creative and nutritious egg recipes that encourage variety, helping seniors like Sophia enjoy the benefits of eggs while maintaining a balanced diet. Proper egg storage is crucial for ensuring food safety and preventing foodborne illnesses, such as salmonella. When eggs are not stored correctly, they can become breeding grounds for harmful bacteria, which can lead to serious health issues, particularly for seniors whose immune systems may be more vulnerable. For instance, if eggs are left unrefrigerated for extended periods or stored in a warm environment, the risk of bacterial growth increases significantly. Take Mike, a 74-year-old who often kept his eggs on the kitchen counter, believing they would be fine at room temperature. One day, he prepared an omelet using these eggs and soon after experienced severe gastrointestinal distress. After a visit to the doctor, Mike learned that his poor storage practices had led to a salmonella infection, which could have been easily avoided with proper precautions. His experience serves as a stark reminder of the importance of safe egg storage. To prevent such incidents, seniors should follow a few essential tips for storing eggs safely. First, eggs should always be kept in the refrigerator at a temperature of 40 or lower to inhibit bacterial growth. It's also advisable to store eggs in their original carton. as this helps protect them from absorbing strong odors and flavors from other foods, while also preventing moisture loss. Additionally, seniors should check the expiration date and discard any eggs that are past their prime. By adhering to these simple storage guidelines, individuals can significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses and enjoy the health benefits of eggs safely. In the following sections, we will explore more food safety practices to ensure that seniors can enjoy their meals without worry. In this video, we've explored several key points regarding egg consumption among seniors, focusing on 4 common mistakes that can turn this nutritious food into a less healthy option. First, we discussed the dangers of using inflammatory oils when cooking eggs, which can negate their health benefits. Next, we highlighted the risks associated with pairing eggs with processed meats, which can introduce unhealthy fats and sodium into the diet. We also examined the consequences of monotony in egg consumption, emphasizing how eating the same egg dish daily can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Lastly, we addressed the importance of proper egg storage to prevent foodborne illnesses, such as salmonella, which can pose serious health risks for seniors. Throughout our discussion, it became clear that making small changes in these areas can lead to significantly better health outcomes. By opting for healthier cooking oils, diversifying egg dishes, and ensuring proper storage, seniors can enjoy the many benefits of eggs while minimizing potential risks. We encourage you to take these insights to heart and consider how you can implement these changes in your own diet or the diets of those you care for. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and nutrition. Your engagement helps us reach more viewers and continue providing helpful information. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with egg consumption, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.